Next, construction of analytic function f of z given its real or imaginary part. Working procedure for problems. Cartesian form. First point, given u or v as functions of x comma y, we find ux uy or vx vy and consider f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx. If they give u means you have to find out ux uy. If they give v means you have to find out vx vy. Then you have to substitute in this. Second point, given u, if they give u, we use CR equation vx equals minus uy, because here vx is there, you have to convert vx in terms of u, so you have to use CR equation. In place of vx you have to put minus uy here. Or if they give v, we use ux equals vy, you have to convert this in terms of v, so you can use CR equation ux as vy, so that f dash of z equals ux minus I into uy, or f dash of z equals vy plus I into vx. Third point, we substitute the expression for the partial derivatives in the RHS and then put x equals z, y equals 0 to obtain f dash of z as function of z. Fourth point, integrate with respect to z. We get f of z. Analytic function f of z you can find out. Next, polar form. Fifth point, similarly, in the case of polar coordinates r comma theta, we consider f dash of z equals e power minus I theta ur plus I into vr. See, in Cartesian form f dash of z means ux plus I into vx, but in polar form f dash of z means e power minus I theta ur plus I into vr, ur plus I into vr, and use CR equation in the RHS. Vr equals minus 1 by r u theta if they given u, or ur equals 1 by r v theta if they give v. Sixth point, we use the substitution r equals z, theta equals 0 to obtain f dash of z as a function of z. Seventh point, integrate with respect to z, we get f of z. Note, substitution of x equals z and y equals 0 in Cartesian form, you have to put x equals z and y equals 0, and in polar form r equals z and theta equals 0, known as Milne-Thomson substitution. Problems. First problem, construct the analytic function whose real part is u equals log square root of x square plus y square. Solution, u equals log root of x square plus y square. This can be written as log x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. Log property, log a power b is b log a, that is u equals 1 by 2 log x square plus y square. Now differentiate u with respect to x and y. First differentiate u with respect to x, 1 by 2 write as it is. Log x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Here 2 get cancelled. So x by x square plus y square. Now differentiate u with respect to y. Uy equals 1 by 2 write as it is. Log x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. Here 2 get cancelled. Y by x square plus y square. Then consider f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx. But u they have given and you find out ux and uy, but here vx is there. So using CR equation you can convert v in terms of u. Vx is minus uy. Okay, CR equation formula. This Vx can be written as minus I into uy. Now substitute ux and uy here. Ux means x by x square plus y square minus I into uy means y by x square plus y square. Then apply Milne-Thomson method. In Cartesian form, you have to put x equals z and y equals 0 in this. Therefore f dash of z equals z by z square plus 0 minus I into, here if you put y equals 0, this will be 0. Here one z term get cancelled, equals 1 by z. Now integrate with respect to z, this derivative get cancelled, f dash of z becomes f of z equals integration of 1 by z is log z plus constant of integration c.